thank you everybody for joining us here at the Watson-Marlow Fluid Technology Group for the introduction of our newest innovation, the quantum pump. My name is Steve Lavarnia. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director for the Americas. I'm joined by my colleague here, Matt Thomas, who's one of our Senior Product Managers, who's going to take you through the quantum pump in a minute. But if you can just indulge me a few seconds, let me just introduce who we are as a company. The Watson-Marlow Fluid Technology Group is the world leader in niche peristaltic pumps, aseptic valves and fillers, and associated fluid path technologies. We're headquartered in the UK. We've been there over 60 years, and we're a wholly owned subsidiary of the Spirax-Sarco engineering group, which is about 4,800 employees worldwide. Watson-Marlow is also a global business. We have 10 factories, which are supported by 33 sales companies around the world, bringing our solutions directly to our customers. We're also very much a market-focused company with particular expertise in the biopharmaceutical and pharmaceutical arena. And our passion is new product development that will help our customers in this life-saving industry keep up with regulatory requirements and the technical challenges that they face every day, which brings us together today to launch the quantum pump, which is the newest innovation, as the name implies, a quantum leap in peristaltic technology for the single-use bioprocessing applications in downstream areas. So before I steal any thunder, I'd like to turn you over to Matt, who's going to bring you a little bit about what quantum's all about. Okay? Thank you.
Thanks, Steve. Okay, so as Steve said, I'm Matthew Thomas. I'm the Senior Product Manager for Watson-Marlow Fluid Technology Group. And today I'm going to tell you why quantum is redefining peristaltic pumping technology for downstream processing. So what quantum's bringing to the market has all come from market requirements. As Steve says, we work as a company to understand the requirements of the customer base and the applications in which they're using our products. And through MPD, we look to develop products that we feel are going to bring them process and ultimately product improvements. Quantum's no exception here. We've worked to understand the requirements of downstream processing to give what we feel to be the true solution for pumping in this area. So quantum brings performance of 20 litres a minute, pressures up to 3 bar, with flow linearity and trace pulsation. So with trace pulsation, which is really very important in downstream processing, where pulsation can cause problems when you're trying to control pressures in tangential flow filtration, for example. Now, with quantum, the development of this product, we've worked to minimize pulsation as much as possible and get that to below the limits set by filter manufacturers for working with their equipment. In that process, we've also been able to halve the pulsation which is delivered on the incumbent technology, quaternary diaphragm pumps. So significant improvement to customers or users out there in the market. In part, that improvement comes from our fluid path technology, and this being our Renew cartridge. Now, with it, this also brings a benefit of reduced shear. So we're having a very low shear process. Now, what I'm showing here on the screen is through the measurement of sorter mean particle size. We've been able to demonstrate that the shear reduction is also significant when taken against the incumbent quaternary diaphragm pump market, showing approximately half the shear of that technology. So again, this going into downstream processing enables you to make significant improvements, and our intention is that customers are able to make yield improvements in that process. Now, additionally, in controlling these processes, with what our technology brings to you is our pump, this quantum pump, is developed on our established software platform, which is available in our other products, our 530, 630, for example. Now, this brings a very robust software platform and also brings 4,000 to 1 control ratio on flow. Now, this is a step change from what's currently available, where customers at the moment are limited to 200 to 1 turndown ratio. So again, this going towards aiding customers with having tighter control of their processes and hopefully process improvements. Additionally, what we want to try and do with this product is simplify the operation of the pump and the use of this in single-use applications. So what we've developed is a true single-use solution for the customer, where they have a full clean room manufactured fluid path, which is simple to exchange and install in the pump, taking away any risk of misassembly or errors in the installation in your equipment. So I'm just going to demonstrate this for you now. So it's very simple, with a removing of the track and placing your fluid path component into the pump head. Then, with the installation of the track, this brings everything into line, and through pulling down the levers, that's your fluid path installed. It's poker yoke, so the cartridge can be installed in either direction, with the flow characteristics exactly the same no matter which way round you meet this. So this can be installed into a larger system without the concern of making sure you have this the right way round. And then when you're coming to load it into the pump, it's simply that simple. Laying your cartridge into the pump head, closing the track down over it. Now, there's no necessary alignment of that or tensioning of anything that goes in there. And through the installation of the track supporting that, it pulls everything into place, making sure you get the repeatable performance every single time you're operating your pump. Now additionally, I said this is our single-use fluid path solution. So what we've got here is a fully validated single-use fluid path, which is full clean room manufacture, from the extrusion of our peristaltic tube through to the moulding of the manifolds and the full assembly of this unit. This is then supplied functionally closed, so sealed within our clean rooms, where we have a blanking plate and our new BioPure clamp, so that this is supplied to the customers as a controlled sealed unit. They're then able to sterilise this and utilise it straight away in their system through making a connection under the laminar flow hood to keep sterility, or to take this into a system, assemble it with the rest of their equipment and irradiate it in that fashion. Now, because we're aware they're going to be using this in sterile applications where they're going to be gamma irradiating the product, all of our performance testing has been conducted post gamma sterilisation. So we stand by our claims of the 20 litres a minute, 3 bar and trace pulsation, and that's on post irradiated product. And also, with the development of the industry as it is today, the compliance and reassurance of the products is very important. So what we've worked with this and with future products within Watson-Marlow is making sure that the validation of our products is suitable to simplify and aid our customers in their validation processes. So in this instance, we have available the validation summary guide, which gives our customers an initial overview of the validation that's available on this product. So they're able to make initial assessments and then proceed with their validation process. They then move on to our full validation guide, which is the kind of the next step on from this, where it supplies the addition of a full BPOG-derived extractable study. So again, assisting in that process of validation. The final part of this, like I've already commented, is the performance of this product. So not only is our validation guide in this instance looking at the USP 88, 87 for example, and the extractables, but it will also include post gamma sterilisation performance. So this is performance and reliability information. So this package of information then assists our customers with process validation as well as with toxicological validation. Now, as I've showed on this cartridge, we're supplying this to our product customers fitted with clamps and gaskets. So what we're doing is bringing together Watson-Marlow Fluid Technology Group's capabilities so that we're able to supply this fluid path solution all with validation to this same level, so that we're assisting customers in the use of these products. We're really able to provide this kind of end-to-end thinking with the fluid path to those customers. So I hope you'll appreciate the kind of performance that we're able to give on this product and understand how this is working to redefine peristaltic technology. With its 20 litres a minute, 3 bar trace pulsation, low shear, fully validated fluid path, we're really supporting our customers in the utilisation of this product for downstream processing, and with our intent being that they can make improvements to their processes and validation of their own products. Okay, thank you. Any questions? So we have compared performance of our product with quaternary diaphragms, which are kind of incumbent technology in downstream processing, to make sure that we're giving process improvements to our customers. So the quantum package is able to provide an improvement on pulsation, so a reduction on pulsation compared to that technology, and also a reduction of shear compared to that technology. So introducing less stress on that product and hopefully enabling a yield improvement through that. So we have used a third party to assist us in that analysis, and we're just finalising that information now, and then that's going to be made available as a white paper, so that so that everyone has access to that information and is able to utilise and understand those benefits. Okay. So it was regarding applications possibly outside of the pharmaceutical industry. Basically, our intent with this product is a biopharm product, and we have developed it from the very beginning with that intent in mind. So from our casework, our fluid path is all developed for biopharmaceutical applications.